A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class and we are going to study about possessive nouns today. Children, we all did nouns before. Nouns means name of a person, place, animal or thing, right children? And we did 5 kinds of nouns. We've studied common nouns, proper nouns, abstract noun, material noun, collective nouns, and we did singular noun, plural nouns. Then also we've studied about the gender of nouns. There were 4 kinds, right? Masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common genders. Yes children, we did all this before. Now today we are going to study about possessive nouns. Okay, children, what you have to remember about possessive nouns is that it is all about apostrophe. We pronounce it as apostrophe, right? It is all about apostrophes. Let us see what it is about. Possessive nouns, children. A possessive noun shows who or what has something. With this possessive nouns, children, it shows a noun to whom it belongs, okay, and it shows some belonging, it shows some ownership, okay, that you belong to it, you belong to that thing is yours, you are the owner of it. All right, for example children, you can see here the boy's kite, boy apostrophe s, the girl's balloons, the girl, then you have put an apostrophe, then you have added an s to it. Add a apostrophe s to a noun to make it possessive. Okay children, possessive nouns, you just have to add apostrophe and an s to the noun to make it possessive. Now let us see something more about it. General rules of possessive noun. Rule 1. To show possession of singular nouns, add apostrophe s. Example, leaf. When you have to show that it is your leaf, you will put leaf apostrophe s, leaves. Class apostrophe s. To show possession of plural nouns which are not ending in s, then also we add apostrophe and s. That means be it a singular noun, be it a plural noun, when the noun is not ending with s, you will add apostrophe and then you will add s to it. For example, that means children, women. Women is a noun which is already a plural noun, right? Singular is woman, plural is women. So we have added apostrophe s. Children is a noun which is already in plural, right? The singular of it is child, plural is children, so we have added apostrophe s. To show possession of plural nouns ending in s, we add only an apostrophe. That means if some noun is written and that noun is ending with the letter s, you will only add an apostrophe after the s. That's it. That, for example, leaves, it is ending with s. So to change it into possessive noun, you will only add an apostrophe after s. Similarly with classes, just add an apostrophe after s. Okay children, let us see more. Singular noun, my child's dog, my children's dog, apostrophe s. The man's work, the men's work. The mouse cage, the mice cage. A person's clothes, people's clothes. Is that okay? So children, the noun is in singular or in plural form. You just have to add an apostrophe and an s to it. Okay? But you have to make sure that the noun should not be ending with s. Alright? Let's see some singular nouns here. Jack has a rabbit. Jack's rabbit is big. This shows that that rabbit belongs to Jack. Jack is the owner of that rabbit. The dog has food. The dog's food. That means the food belongs to the dog. The dog is the owner of that food. My mom has flowers. My mom's flowers are red. The flowers which belong to my mom, the flowers of which my mom is the owner, are red. Understood? Plural possessive nouns. Plural possessive nouns are plural nouns that show ownership of something with an apostrophe when the plural ends in s. when the noun is already ending in s, you will only add an apostrophe after the s. Like girls. Girls is a plural noun, only add apostrophe after the s. Horses, fairies, these nouns are already in plural. Now with an apostrophe when the plural noun does not end in an s. Like women. Women is a noun which is already in plural. Singular is woman. So you will add s apostrophe s. Sheep apostrophe s. Ship a fish apostrophe s. Let us see some more examples. Dogs, house, books, words, girls, dolls. It is a common noun, add s. That means apostrophe and s. In plural nouns, children, you only have to remember that if the noun ends in s, you are going to add apostrophe after the s. And if the noun is not ending in s, then you will add apostrophe and s to it. Okay? Yes, children. You can refer to this table again. It is very helpful. Now let us see from your book. The possessive form of a noun is used to show belonging or ownership. Bicycle of Ravi is new. Ravi's bicycle is new. This motorcycle belongs to Amit. This is Amit's motorcycle. The dress of Kavita is very expensive. Kavita's dress is very expensive. These magazines belong to Kiran. These are Kiran's magazines. The brother of Mary is my classmate. Mary's brother is my classmate. The sentences given above on both the sides mean the same. However, sentences given on right hand side are shorter and read better. Formation of possessive form of singular nouns. This is Mohan's book. The queen's crown was very expensive. The prince's robe attracted everyone. That boy's clothes are dirty. The girl's father is a famous doctor. Children, you can see in these singular nouns, after the noun, they have just added an apostrophe and an s to it. Okay. We form the possessive case of a singular noun by adding apostrophe to the noun, apostrophe and s. The letter s is not used with those words that end in s or have too many hissing sounds. Only a simple apostrophe is put at the end of such words. For example, Jesus' sake. Now, Jesus is the word ending with s, so you will only put an apostrophe after s. Moses' laws, apostrophe after s. The possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things, such as cat's paw, sheep's hooves. We use preposition of for expressing the possessive case of non-living things. Roof of the house. You will not say house roof. Roof of the house. It is a non-living thing. Alright? Formation of possessive form of plural nouns. There are many reputed boys' schools in the city. She lives in girls' hostel. Children's books contain many colorful illustrations. They have joined a famous men's club. She is a member of a women's committee. Children, we read this before that when a plural noun is ending with s, you will only add an apostrophe after the s. And when the plural noun is not ending with s, then you will put an apostrophe and an s to the noun. We form the possessive case of a plural noun that ends in s by adding only an apostrophe. Girls, hostel, boys, school. When the noun is plural but does not end in s, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s. Children's book. You see, children is a noun which is already in plural noun, but it is not ending with s, so you will put apostrophe s. Child is the singular noun. Men is plural, man is singular. Women is plural, woman is singular. Alright, children. Okay, I hope you will go through the video again and it is clear. We will discuss it more in the live class. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, children. Thank you.